Spring is finally here, and before you start cranking up the AC, you want to make sure your home's HVAC system is safe and good to go.
That's right. Squeaks Services is a local team of HVAC experts, and right now they're offering some spring specials for anyone looking to take care of their home. Here to tell us more in this sponsored segment is owner Larry Benavidez. And Larry, before we get started, I know you have ducks all around. You leave a duck after you get your service. Look what I found in my little box under here before we even started. Yeah, and I was like, where'd this come from? Larry, thanks, buddy.
I stole the duck. You just ratted me out. Last time he was here, I stole it.
All right, let's get into this, Larry. Thanks for being here. So you are family owned and have an A+ rating with the BBB since 2005. Tell us a little bit more about Squeaks Services.
Well, family owned and operated. Me and my wife operate the business. We do mostly all HVAC systems, plumbing, electrical, all that stuff. Maintenance is key. That's what we really love to do. We do maintenance on HVAC, plumbing, electrical stuff. We do dryer vent cleaning. And above all that, we love to make the kids smile with these little things. This is what we love to do. We give these little things out to our children of the houses because you know what? Their laughter really makes everybody happy. Right?
That's what I told Jeff because you've been on before. And so I said, Jeff, when you meet Larry, he's the coolest guy and he's all about family friendly. So you created this book, right? And it says, name the tools used to fix a fence. Name the tools used to build a playhouse. This is very smart.
It's fantastic, and I can't imagine. So I always want to take a little piece of my life and my kids' childhood, and I want to put it into my business because we all got those times that we want to remember about things, right? And my favorite one out of all of it is in the back. Like, I absolutely love this. I mean, I got to get Squeaks, and I got to channel him down to where he can actually go find his toolbox so he can go and do honeydews. Not only is it great for him as a little squeaker, but sooner or later he's going to have honeydews and things around the house, and he might even be educated. Right?
To learn how to do it. That's awesome.
Kids get in the trades.
I asked him, like, is his first name or his last name Squeaks? And you said that's just his full name.
It's just Madonna.
It's like Madonna.
He's known. So you also have products such as water heaters with parts and labor warranties. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so everything we have has a 100% guarantee, satisfaction guarantee. Everything comes with a 10-year parts labor warranty on all our brand new equipment. All of our services have a 1-year labor warranty on anything. So if we go out there, we fix something and it breaks within the year and it's something that we have to be responsible for, we'll go out there and take care of it.
And can I just say, what the duck?
You've been waiting to say that. You've been waiting to say that.
I love that tagline. So you
funny.
have some amazing spring specials going on for Great Day Colorado viewers.
Yeah, absolutely. What we are doing now is we're doing for $129. We are cleaning your dryer vent. We are doing your water heater flush, get all the sediment out of there, and we're doing your HVAC inspection. Keep everything cleaned. Life is good, right? Don't replace it, just maintain it. That's all you want to do.
Tell us something we should do. Like, spring is here, right?
Yeah.
People are going to start cranking up their ACs. What should we have? Should we have Squeaks out to come and just double check our service, make sure everything's up to par?
Absolutely, yep. And what we do is we do free inspections on certain things. Like homeowners maybe don't know the age of their system or they haven't had it looked at in a long time. So what we do is we come out there at no charge. We do a real quick examination on it. We fill out a little bit of paperwork, and then we kind of tell you what the condition is and what things you should do in the future to be preventative. It's 100% preventative maintenance.
And on top of that, while they're checking it out, the kids are keeping busy with these books. You bring them with you wherever you go, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Love it.
So, yep, exactly. And then if you just want one, even if you don't want our service, right, you don't need any plumbing or HVAC or duct cleaning or any of that stuff, just give me a call and I'll have one of our guys just swing by.
That's family friendly, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
And this time I'm stealing it in front of them.
I got mine in here. I got mine in here. Yeah, that's good luck, Larry. Thank you so much, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, call Squeak Services for fast, reliable HVAC servicing for your home. Take advantage of their 3-for-1 spring special. It includes dryer, vent cleaning, checkup on your water heater, and a safety inspection for your furnace and AC. To reach them, give them a call today at 720-642-9159 or visit them online at squeakservices.com. And remember, with every service, you'll get a little rubber ducky of your own. Yay! Thanks again to Squeak Services for sponsoring this segment. Thanks, Larry.